What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Noah J's Vlog. Well, so y'all sold out for a drink. Y'all want a drink? Just come on by the side to the bar. Just kidding. Don't come. It's out. Sold out. And they probably ain't gonna fill it again. So, well, I had fun at school. I want to do something about my camera. It's like shaky. Sorry for that shakiness, but I'm tired of holding my arm like this. I want to do it like this. Sorry for not steady hands like I used to have. If I hold a gun, I have steady hands. Something like that. Good. Going on that hill. So steep. I gotta get out of the way. Hey, I've been cleaning y'all's screens. I hope that's better. Sorry for that. Just don't skip because it's coming back on right now. So, sorry for the brightness. Hang on, let's see if I can do that. Is that better for y'all? I just brought it down some so I can talk to y'all, do this vlog for y'all. So tired of it. Okay, dog. I hope he don't come jump on me. I don't like big dogs. I don't like them. I had one, broke my leg, and it's like, big fear now. I like them, just I don't like some that jump on with people. I hate that kind. My hand probably gonna be more steady because they taste it so like that black magnet, so it might be more better. Oh. So, hang on. Right more. Hang on, I'm better. Gotta fix some stuff. But other than that, it's good. I'm just trying to put everything in my pockets that I don't want to lose. Okay, I'm trying to get it in the pocket. It's not going like I want it to, but it's doing it. Sorry for all that grunt. There we go. There we go. I can have my seatbelt a little bit freer. So I didn't want to drop the camera, so I didn't want to pause it. So I don't got nothing editing. I don't got nothing editing. It's the software I got. If y'all know any, let me know. Comment down below. You know, want to get on a computer it's free, like in the app free. Not me in the app. Have to pay. Blah blah blah. I can't pay much. Nothing. Not much. Though. Tired. My mom got strep throat right now, so I don't know if I go to school. Connor, if you're hearing this, I'm sorry, I might not go to school. Connor, Neely. If he didn't notice that. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that out loud. Huh? It's not hot. Just not humid either. Oh. I had something on my face like touch me and something hurt. I might go my little hot, nice little secrets. Hiding spot. Not really secret. Just got bored to say something. Well, they cut that down some. A little bit, but not much. Yeah, they got it cut down. They might have something here going on anytime soon. But I hope it do. Okay. My next challenge is going around people doing the vlog. Yeah, I feel good with this little shade. Look at this dog. Let's see it. I'll show it when it gets closer. Yeah, I'm doing it sideways instead of like I used to do. I used to do it other like this. But now I'm doing it like this. I know the big difference now since I'm doing it sideways. It's like when I put it on YouTube, it's sideways like I wanted. I just don't know if the quality's good, like blurry or let it focus. There, I don't know what I did. Yeah, but this feels good, not hot, not too cold. So I'm trying to fix it in my hand. Yeah. I'm just gonna have to relax right now. Oh, feels good in this breeze. Slight little breeze. I hope I can hear me because I'm covering the speaker probably. But I'm not thinking. I don't think so. I think I'm good. But I hope I can do a 10-minute vlog if I can do one. It might take longer to upload, but not bad. Never know. Never know. I'm not doing it HD, so I'll show you the dog. It's a husky, I know that. Yeah, I'm bored. Oh, sorry for that wind.
Nice out here, huh?
It's feeling good.
No.
What kind of husky is it?
She's we rescued her on the trace. So she's not a purebred. She's got a little mix of something with her.
It's I know the husky.
Yeah, it is. You're right about it.
That husky is something else.
Yeah, we don't know. Like I said, we found her on the trace. She's a sweet dog, though.
Just don't let her jump on me.
I won't.
I break my leg real easy.
Okay, she won't jump up. I won't let that happen.
You Ole Miss fan?
I am. Are you?
State.
That's okay. Doesn't make you a bad person.
No.
I got lots of state family members, so if my kids get a free education, I don't care where they go.
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
See ya.
Maybe state will do good against BYU, huh, this weekend?
I hope so.
Yeah. They got a young team. Take it easy.
You too. Sorry. That husky is pretty good. It's a husky mix. Y'all heard the conversation, so. Whew. Yeah. I mean, beautiful husky. It feels good. I petted it. You stick my hand on one. Yeah, he's a nice guy. I like that husky. I wish I had one, but I can't have one in my neighborhood. Or I can't have one in my house in the neighborhood, probably too. Because it's over the limit of the dog. Can't have certain limits of the dog. So. I stopped it right here. But I won't end this video over here, but I hope that I like it. Yeah, I think I got about 14 subscribers. That's pretty good at like a beginner, like doing it for a couple months. Yeah. Feels good out here. It ain't too hot, it ain't too cold, just right. Wind's blowing like a pretty good breeze. But it feels so good. I'm sorry for all these calls I do, but I can't help that. So far, whew. Look, we did that way in. Nice little trees. Everything goes real good. Yeah, I wanna. Oh. Yeah, I'm just going around. Going around and do stuff. I'll have fun. Go around with that track. I'll show you the track. And I think I'm turning up the camera. They taped it all. You see the husky. Okay. I wish I could have a husky. I'm gonna tell mom and dad I want a baby husky and like train it up, like be my servant and get it trained. Like train it. Man, if I can get it trained and get it certified, I can have it, man. But that's the only way I can have it, I think. I can train it myself. I can do it. Now I gotta get it certified so they can say it's doing it and all that. I think. I can get that dog for you. Yeah, I'm having fun. Okay. I might do Tuesdays. I might not. Like, if I can get this one out of the way, I'd be good. Okay, I won't have probably gonna put 2 on it the whole day. And I'll tell y'all this. Yeah. I'm fast, but I don't want to get stoned. If you don't tell nobody about it. Yeah, you don't want to hide the keys under the wheel like that because you make it steal it. I don't want to do that, so I'll keep it in the pocket. Unless put a magnet on your keychain. No way you never know. The wind blows and don't shake. Put 2 magnets. Like, fell off, but too short. But I'm having fun. I've seen like beautiful huskies. Husky mix. Something else I don't know about. You don't know about. But it's beautiful huskies. Yeah, I got a Chihuahua slash dog sister. She's probably about 10 years old, but she's fat and old. But everybody loves her still. But I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all like it. Comment and subscribe. But I get new viewers every day. I'm gonna try to post it every day. Okay, my challenge is if you didn't watch my old vlogs and all that. I will try to post every day for a month and a week. Wait, month and 6 days it's been yesterday since it's done. But try to post one every day. But I hope I can do that. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and comment.